Hi everyone, welcome to today's video, how to make money online. Is that the question in your mind? If so, you are watching the right video. Today I'm gonna show you 5 easiest ways to make money online. So make sure to watch the video till the end. My name is Shakira Magando. Welcome to this channel. If you are new at the channel, subscribe. Hit the notification bell and turn on notifications such that every time we upload a video, you get notified. Number 1, you can sell stuff online. It can be any kind of stuff, be it new or used stuff. For example, clothes you are no longer using in your closets. It can be shoes. It can be used electronics like fridge, used phones, laptops, used cars, used houses, any stuff of your choice, any stuff in your possession that you are no longer using, you can sell it to another person. You can sell it online and also in physical stores. Online platforms where you can sell such used stuff. We have Amazon, we have eBay, Facebook Marketplace, Depop, we have Poshmark, and many other platforms. All you need to do is to present your products, give them description and the pricing. Buyers will be able to see those products on other platforms and buy those products. That might not give you a full-time income, but you can earn a passive income out of selling stuff online. Number 2, we have sell print on demand. Yes, you can make money online selling print on demand products such as t-shirts, hoodies, capes, yoga pants, jumpers, jackets, books, and many other products. All you need to do is to create your own designs and customize your brand. You can create those brands using free softwares such as Canva. In Canva, you can create your designs for free of charge. There are also some other softwares you can use to create designs such as Inkscape, Affinity Designer, Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, and many more. You can use any of your choice or whatever is easier for you to use to create those great designs and sell the print on demand products. There are many websites where you can sell the print on demand products. For example, we have Zazzle, Teespring, Redbubble, Printful, Printify, Lulu Express, Amazon, and many more. Number 3, sell photos online. You can make money while selling photos of different kinds online. Can be food recipes, sculptures, artwork, any kind of photos can be sold online to earn you money. Where to sell these photos? You can sell them on iStock, Shutterstock, Adobe Stock. We have Big Stock and etc. Getting value out of this video, give it thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Sell your own services. Then someone is saying that, me, I don't have any service to sell online. Well, definitely I'll bring this to your attention that almost everyone has a service to offer. For example, I can be a teacher. You can sell tutorials, online tutorials or online courses to people. There you can earn from that. You can be a doctor. You can become a consultant and others get your service from online, consulting you about different cures, different healthy problems, so you can earn from that service. You can be a coach. That means that you can sell that also as a service online by coaching other people. Assuming that you're senior in insurance, why not being a consultant about that field? Maybe a senior in business, and why not becoming a consultant in your area of seniority to others? So you can offer all those kinds of services to people, and in turn you earn money. So lastly but not the least, we have partner with companies. You can make money online by partnering with different companies. There are different ways that can work. For example, you can create a website, and on that website you run ads of different companies, and each ad you run, you earn money out of it. Then another thing, you can register with referral programs or affiliate program of different companies. You register, you get a referral link, and you put those referral links on your websites, and whosoever buys a product through your link, you get a commission. You get a commission out of it. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.